So Lise is a very helpful person. So who could she be helping right now? Peter Parker. He said he could use some help. So I think that's right there. So let's go see if she's in Web Slingers. Cool. I see webs everywhere. That's weird.
Hi there, and come on in. Welcome to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade. Thanks to funding from Tony Stark, Web has brought together the world's most brilliant engineers and given them access to cutting-edge resources so that they can create tech that will empower everyday people.
I'm trying to help you, but you will not.
For example, I'm Sharon, the artificial intelligence that keeps this place organized and running smoothly. Yes, Web has some of the brightest minds in the world, but I keep things around here pretty chill so the kids can create the next big idea that will give you the tools to become the next generation of heroes. And now, our project lead, the brilliant, Peter Parker.
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker. Yeah, here at Web, we got access to some pretty awesome tech, like vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff we have in Particle and Stark Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff, like these spider bots, for example. Check it out. They have this really cool self-replicating.
Because?
This is awesome. Buddy, you can stop doing that now. But anyways, you guys are here today to help us test the Web Slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you'll be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, Sharon. If you could just initiate the stage protocols, I'd really
Problem with that, Peter?
If you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. You got it.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
Oh, they seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry, Sharon. You should just call someone else and ask them to do it.
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
I'm gonna go find Spider-Man before it's all, because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what you see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avengers campus. I'll sure be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey, Mark, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is at exponential danger. You might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
But I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sure. Have the Slinger vehicle.
Already on it.
Everyone head to the Slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bots before they destroy the campus.
Okay, we have a plan. Please move quickly through the doors and down the halls of the Slinger vehicle bay. Your open house demo has been upgraded to a high-stakes mission to save Avengers campus.
We see the bag in the
Reinforcements. Let's do
So there'll be 4 or to a seat. So we'll be sharing cabin with 2 people. Oh, that's probably the one that Lise is in right there.
Yeah, they're not letting it open.
So that's why Lise is probably in that one, right?
Let's do some targeting class. We got spider bots to rev up.
Alright.
Hold on to the lap bar for me, please.
All right.
That's fine. Push back up. Thank you.
Well, here we go. Let's just hope Lise is in here somewhere. There you go, Mom. Look, chest camera. See my camera?
Motion tracking, assigning individualized clinical files, web series calibrating.
No. Do you see your arms?
So your rides until you rate.
That's you, Mom. That's you. That is you.
I'm glad to see you guys.
Prepare to spend.
Nice try, but spider bots begin this game in 3, 2, 1.
They're running into the tunnels. They're gonna catch you.
All fitting.
Elevating level 2 of control. Should I call for help now?
No. We can handle it. It's a small problem. Actually, big problem.
How are you doing this, Ma?
Containment again, right?
Sorry. Elevating threat level to legit crazy.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Start slowing. Yank the yellow proper cells off those. Spider-Man losing consciousness in 3, 2, 1.
That was close.
Spider-Man, the threat level's at the worst thing.
How are you getting so much good at this?
The giant bot survived. But those chain reactions did too.
Wait, the green bots explode. If we intentionally hit those green bots, maybe they'll trigger a chain reaction.
I think you're right. That should stop them.
I can't believe the chain reactions didn't work. You guys were amazing.
I'm very impressed, Spider-Man. You really solved the problem.
Well, it's been done without them.
This was also your idea.
You did not get the best in the car, did you? Ma,
I win.
Okay, how did you cheat?
I didn't.
You got 1 to 84. You're the best in the country.
Hey, thanks for attending our open house presentation and for giving the description of the world as we know it. Please collect your gifts and any personal belongings as you exit the vehicle. See you later. Please.
Hallelujah. Here's back.
Well, that was a lot of fun. Ma got the highest score in the car, and didn't find me. So, well, I guess we'll have to keep looking. It's fine.